Alright everyone, so for today's charting session, magsisimula po tayo sa globe, no? Now, before I continue, quick announcement lang. This weekend, magre-resume na yung Risk Management Academy natin na series. So, be sure to watch out for that kasi para sa akin talaga, if you want to become a good trader, kailangan on point yung risk management mo. And risk management is not simply placing a random stop somewhere in the hopes that it doesn't get hit. So I'm really hoping na tong series na to magbubukas ng mata ng marami sa inyo and will help you to become better traders moving forward. Now that we have that set aside, let's continue with Globe, no? Now, tong Globe, honestly, pwede nating sabihin na it did break above itong inflection point na to around 2190. However, I would argue na yung actual range niya is itong mas wide na range na to. Somewhere around 2020 hanggang 2300, 2350 na area. So, while you can say na nabasag yung segment na to and price could push higher towards 2350, I am not entirely sure that you can find a trade na magpe-present sa inyo ng magandang risk-reward. Kasi after all, the stop still needs to go beneath tong swing low na to. And I don't think na kahit na 1:1 mabibigay nito where it currently is. Okay? Now, kung kunwari from here, we push higher, we break above 2346, that opens up this wider range above. Diba? Yes, kailangan natin i-note na meron tayong level na pwedeng pag-untugan dito. But a break above 2346 actually gives, for lack of a better term, access to the wider area here. Okay? Kung kunwari naman, hindi kinaya, hindi nakapag-hold above 22 to 190, mabasag tayo, we break beneath tong 2,000 na level, then again, itong white zone na yung potential na tinitingnan natin na pwedeng next puntahan ng price up until itong support at 1,800. If that breaks as well, the 1,690 na yung next level na tinitingnan natin dito sa globe. Next, tingnan naman po natin tong Macroasia or ang MAC. So, initially, I was saying na if price ever came back dito sa purple zone, we would likely get a quick bounce play, and we did very fast, one candle lang, no? Then from there, we sunk a bit lower, nag-hold etong trend line na to as support, and then we started pushing higher, coming back to this previous area of support, now turned resistance around 4.65. Now, if price can hold above 4.7 more or less, maybe it opens up this range here from 4.7 hanggang 5 pesos more or less. Diba? Possible gap fill sa naiwan na gap dyan. But whether or not that actually leads you into a high probability trade remains to be seen pa. I realize medyo nakakasawa na paulit-ulit ako na merong ganitong dahilan para hindi i-trade or merong ganyang dahilan para hindi i-trade. But I honestly think that that's a better approach rather than looking for a reason to trade something, which to be fair, madali lang. Look for reasons why you shouldn't be trading something. Kapag wala kang mahanap na rason kung bakit mo siya dapat hindi i-trade, saka mo siya i-trade. It's one of those things, parang mini shortcut or mini hack that could potentially lead you towards taking only A+ trades moving forward. Now, kung kunwari from here mabasag yung 5.07, that reopens this range here hanggang 5.4, and if 5.4 breaks, meron tayong mini level dito, but I do think we open up this range above all the way hanggang 5.9. However, kung nauntog na tayo dito sa 4.65, we roll over, break beneath yung swing low dito around 4.28, we might see price revisit either tong mga cluster of lows na naiwan before or itong support natin dito sa 3.92. Next, tignan naman po natin tong FB. Okay? Itong FB, we've been falling for quite some time now. Tapos nakahanap tayo ng what for me is for now. Okay? Kasi hindi pa tapos yung structure eh. Temporary support dito around 36.10. Okay? Kung from here, mag-hold to, we push higher, yung next level para sa akin will be around 42.5. Not too shabby, it's a decent range. However, hindi ko nakikita yung direct path to trading it here kasi by the time it sets up, meaning may magandang structure, you have two choices. Either you look for it sa lower time frames or baka mahuli ka kapag nakabantay ka lang dito sa daily. Diba? Maaari sabihin natin dito may mini inflection point, we break above, mag-hold, maybe we get a push higher. But whether or not mag-yield yun ng magandang risk reward remains to be seen kasi syempre wala pa siya. Hindi pa siya nangyayari. If mabasag yung 42.5, then we open up this range here between 42.5 hanggang 48.75. And if 48.75 to 49 pesos breaks, 56.2 na yung next level naman natin. However, do note na kakaprint lang natin recently ng bagong 52-week low, di ba? And we are more or less still within that general area. So, kahit na meron pang divergence yan, kahit na appealing yung price simply because price has never been this low. Diba? If you zoom out, at least dito sa trading view, wala hindi pa tayo umabot ng ganyang kababa. So, because of that, for all of those reasons, I would rather wait na maybe see if price can retake 42.5 muna before it starts piquing my interest. Kasi kung pipilitin ko dito, maaaring, sige, nakakuha nga ako ng mura, mauntog lang siya, roll over, break beneath 36.10, tas bagong 52-week low na naman. Bagong sakit ng ulo na naman, bagong hintay na naman, and parang bulag na naman tayo. Kailangan na naman nating hintayin na may structure na mag-form bago natin pwedeng i-reassess ulit tong FB. Next, tignan naman po natin tong AGI, no? Now, tong AGI, ang sabi nga natin noon was price came up, nagtag siya dito sa supply zone, nauntog, rolled over, kept breaking down na from there. Once we broke beneath yung support dito sa 8.86, tumuloy tayo dito sa white zone, sa demand zone sa baba, wherein lumagpas tayo ng konti, binawi, tried to push higher, tas nauntog tayo dito sa cluster of lows na area na to. And now we're pushing lower again dito sa AGI. So, assuming patuloy yan at basagin niya yung white zone, our next level of support will be at 7.7. Now, kunwari naman, kabaliktaran, price comes back up, starts trading above 8.86. It does open up this wider range from 8.86 hanggang 10 pesos, pero may possible untog tayo dito around 9.5 kasi kung nakikita natin, this has acted as support before, here and here, resistance here, resistance there. So hindi naagulat na kung umangat man tayo, baka makahanap tayo ng konting hadlang dito sa area na to. Okay? Now, whether or not this is something that you take as a trade depends kung anong type of trader kayo. Kung range trader kayo, pasok sa parameters nyo, then by all means, go ahead. Pero kung hindi naman, di hintay na lang po tayo ng ibang opportunity at saka tayong mag-jump in. Now, kung sabihin natin naghahanap kayo ngayon ng potential entry dito sa AGI, well, simple lang naman yan Kung meron kayong value area, whether it's a technical reason or a fundamental reason kung bakit kayo nakaabang at a specific price, and price is there, tas pinagplanuhan nyo naman ng maayos, then by all means, take the trade. Pero kung wala pa, huwag natin madaliin. Huwag nating ipilit. Diba? Hintayin natin mag-setup ng maayos, and then we can jump in properly, and then from there, diba, at least meron tayong backbone, meron tayong pundasyon kung bakit natin ginagawa yung trade na yon, and hopefully it ends up working out from there. And then finally, pag-usapan po natin tong AREIT. Now, tong AREIT, price has essentially come back to this area of previous consolidation, no? Bumalik tayo dito, diba, nagkaroon tayo ng slight conso dito, we try to bounce higher, nauntog tayo dito, nag-hold, diba? Nag-move higher ulit, tapos hindi nagtagal, bumaksak, binalikan natin tong area na to. Now, whether or not this ends up holding remains to be seen, no? All we know is right now, support is at 34 pesos, followed by 32.4. Kung nabasag yung 32.4, then highly likely we revisit tong swing low na to, around 31 pesos, at kapag yun ay hindi pa rin kinaya, nabasag pa rin, baka balikan natin tong previous area of resistance from January 2021. Okay? Ngayon, where price is naman is medyo sumasayaw siya dito sa current area na to between 34 pesos hanggang 35.85. Now, I've always recommended na wag nyo na lang outright i-trade to mga REITs. If you want to buy them, you buy them because you're looking for the dividends. You feel like they will outperform inflation and so on. Then you can go ahead and do so. Hanap lang kayo ng magandang opportunity. Now, this is one of the reasons bakit mahirap siyang i-trade. From 34 pesos to 35.85, I don't think na maganda siyang range to begin with. Diba? Even if makahanap ka ng magandang risk-reward, the trade itself won't yield a lot. Okay? So, mas maganda, again, doon sa nag-request nito, if you're looking to trade it, maybe look for other stocks na lang. If you're looking for a value play, you're looking to buy this for the dividends, then again, same suggestion from before, maybe talk to your broker, see if they can help you assemble a portfolio ng mga REITs or mga high-yielding dividend stocks. Okay? That being said, if 35.85 breaks, ang next level of resistance natin will be at 37.5 na. And if that breaks, we might revisit tong area of highs na naiwan natin from before. But for now, medyo watch mode muna dito. Okay, hintayin natin what happens next kasi it could easily come up, mauntog dito sa 35.85, then start rolling over again. Kasi overall, downtrend ka pa rin di ba? Diba? Lower highs, lower lows, and so on, no? So, konting ingat lang, huwag masyadong magmamadali. Diba? Yes, the index has pushed to about 6,000 kanina. We were not able to close above 6K. We were around 5,980, more or less, nung nag-close tayo. So, even though lumalaban, we can't honestly say na we're out of the woods just yet. So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? I hope nakatulong po to sa inyo kahit konti and may natutunan kayo kahit papano. And if so, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!